DIY how to make palm kernel oil. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello, today we're gonna see how you make palm kernel oil from palm kernels. So these are the palm kernels. The hard nuts have been broken, and you get these kernels in there. And the kernels are used to make oil that has some good medicinal value, and it's eaten as also used for hair product and skin products. So let's go and I'll show you how they were doing it. So here they've washed the palm kernels and they are dry. So now they just get a pot and they put it on the fire, and you just put the dry palm kernels in there. And it's supposed to just continue to cook like that in the heat, from the heat, and it's gonna cook. And you just have to stir it regularly. You just have to stir it regularly to get so that it doesn't get burned quickly. So the key to this process is you have to stir it regularly and then cover it, and then after maybe about 2-3 minutes or 4 minutes, you can come back and stir it again. You just want to make sure you don't leave it and go somewhere, because it might uh, catch on fire and might get burned really badly. So you want to keep an eye on that. You want to stir it and cover it, and then come back and stir it again. So we've been doing this for like 10 minutes now. So she's stirring it again, and you just have to stir it regularly to make sure that all the kernels are being cooked at the same rate, and so that way they're gonna produce at the same rate. You're not gonna have some burnt ones and while others are not ready. So that's why you have to stir it regularly until it's ready. So one more time, they're still stirring it again. It's getting there. You can see it's turning brown, and you can see a little bit of oil is already coming out from the bottom. So you can see this this is another, after about 10 more minutes. After that, this is 20 minutes. So it's getting there, almost there now. You can see the oil coming out. So palm kernel oil is used in most places to medicinal purposes. Like I said, you can use it to rub your body if you have dry skin and other stuff. Women use it for their hair. It softens the hairs, and does other has other benefits. So even though it's not very popular as it used to be in those days, but it's still very available in this part of the world. So it's done now. So they just pour it into a sift. The sift is gonna drain out all the oil and leave the remaining kernels on top. So one last thing that she said you can do is just get a handful of water and just sprinkle it on top. That's gonna push down some of the oil from the kernels and just help to push it down to drain to the bottom. Not a lot, just a little bit of water that she did. So it's all ready to go, and the next batch is in the pot, and they're gonna do that. So that's how the palm kernel oil is made. So now they're just gonna let it drain, for maybe 30 minutes or an hour, and then you want to make sure it cools down completely before you put it in the bottle. Because if you put it in the bottle when it's still very hot, it will break the bottle. So you can see the oil that's coming out. So there's still a lot still coming out. So we're just gonna let it sit on that spot for like an hour so that it cools while draining, and then we're gonna put it in the bottle. So this is it after about an hour or plus. It's been cooling down, and you can see the amount of oil we got from those two pots that were made. So now we're gonna put them in bottles so that you can use them to drain. Let me taste it a little bit. So you can use them to drain. We're just gonna pour it in the bottles, and then you can store it. So like I said, you want to make sure that it's cool. It's completely cold before you pour it into the bottles. because you don't want to break the bottle or have an issue with the bottle or the oil. Okay, let me know in the comments below if you've heard about palm kernel oil, or if you have seen it being made anywhere, or if you know about it. Let me put a comment in the description below, and also let me know what you use them for. People use them for different things in different areas, so let me know in the comments below. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching.